Love is in the air, people, so before grabbing a box of chocolates or a bouquet of flowers, here's 5 essential Welsh words for Diwrnod St Dwynwen. Cwtch. You're at the back of the cinema, you've bought the tickets and the popcorn. It's time to make a move. It's time for a cwtch. Just keep it PG. Sus. So your date at the cinema's gone great, and you've even walked them back to the door. Time for a cheeky sus. A kiss. Better than the cheeky Nando's. Blodau. The essential gift for Valentine's Day. What better way to show your love than with a £2 bouquet of flowers from your local garage? Petrolly. Blodau always do the trick. Cariads. Whether it's your partner or food, we all have someone or something that we love. So this Valentine's Day, make sure you spend time with that special one. Rhamant. It's everywhere this time of year. You can't put a price on it. A little bit of rhamant goes a long way. So if you weren't a smooth Welsh talker before this video, at least you know the basics now. Keep an eye out for more of our 5 Welsh words videos. All this love talk has got me in the mood for a rom-com. Hugh Grant marathon it is.